Okay, so my game is called The Haunted Adventure. So the code is like a text-based game where the player enters their name and navigates through an old haunted house to escape. The player is asked if they're ready to begin, and based off their response, the game progresses. They encounter a ghost and must choose a direction. If they choose correctly, they escape and earn a point. If they choose incorrectly, they fail. The player's score is displayed at the end. It's a simple game where the player's choices determine their success in escaping the haunted house. I chose this theme because I want my game to be exciting, suspenseful, and for the house to be full of eerie surprises. In this code, there's multiple conditionals, such as the if, elif, and else statements, over here and down here. And then I'll show you the game. If I choose the right way, then I'll get a point. Okay, so the strengths of my game are it works, it's interactive, it's suspenseful, and then I keep track of points, and I'm trying to keep it surprising. In the future, I can add more questions and choices in my game, and keep track of more points. So